on to my personal favorites, the kitchen stuff. Of course. First gift in the kitchen stuff is this little tiny mini food processor. I promise you, unless I'm making a really big dish, I barely pull out my food processor anymore. In the last year, I've maybe used that food processor 3 times because I had this. So if you or your loved one is starting out a new healthy lifestyle, you're gonna start cooking more meals at home, right? So you're going to start cooking with more aromatics like cilantro, parsley, basil, rosemary. You're gonna start making your own salad dressings. You're gonna wanna mince up some garlic. You're gonna wanna mince up some ginger, maybe some onion. I use this at least 3 to 4 times a week, and it was like $14. This is a wonderful gift, and this is actually going to be a gift for a family member from me this Christmas because she saw me using it and loved it so much. So there's that. Okay, so next on the list, hear me out. This is an awesome holiday gift for you or your loved one who is starting to get healthy and well in 2022. It's a Nespresso machine. I've actually seen this pop up on quite a few influencers' holiday gift guides this year, and it's for good reason.
Now this gift is at a higher price point, but the pros definitely outweigh the cons here. So chances are this health and wellness gift is going to be for someone who might be trying to lose weight in the new year. It's going to be really hard to stay in alignment with that goal if you're drinking a 400 to 500 calorie cup of coffee every single day. The great thing about the Nespresso machine is that this is about as close as you're going to get to that coffee shop taste without having all the calories that come along with that. So I like to make my cup of coffee. I put a scoop of my collagen in there. I sweeten it with some liquid stevia. And for a little bit of that extra flavor, a little extra zing, I'll use some Nut Pods creamer and some almond milk and give myself a really delicious cup of coffee. My favorite flavor with Nespresso is the Malazio. I'll link that down below. And there's another trio that has like a biscuit flavor or a caramel flavor. That one is also really delicious. I'll link both of those down below for you guys, and the coffee machine as well, along with all the other gifts mentioned in today's video. And I really saved the best for last with this one. It's the air fryer. Oh my gosh, seriously, I don't even know what I was doing with my life before I had this. This has literally changed my life for the better. I am not being dramatic. It has really simplified the cooking process. This keeps everything clean and contained in so many ways. For starters, the cleanup is super easy. I don't know about you guys, but I hate scrubbing a cooktop after I've made some bacon or some chicken on the stove and there's grease splatter all over the place. I hate that. All you gotta do is just swirl some soapy water around in there when you're done and it's good to go. Second reason this is awesome is that you can just put your food in there, set it, and forget it. You can go on about other things that you need to get done. Love it. Highly recommend for you and your loved ones as an awesome holiday gift.
All right, that does it for my holiday gift guide. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Give me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought, what some of your favorite products were. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you can always get Fit by Chris. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.